I wanted to quickly show you how to appeal a health and personalized advertising policy issue in Google Ads. So first, you go to the extension in question and then click appeal, and then go to the appeal form. This usually this is an incorrect flag. It has nothing to do with your ad account. So what you can do is go here, say, we are being incorrectly for health and personalized advertising. And while I'm doing this, I'm actually just going to template this health info to appeal via the Google to get help form. I'm making a quick outline of how to address this. So you go here. You're being incorrectly flagged for health personalized advertising. Yeah, not a healthcare service. Okay. Next, healthcare policy disapproval. Next, email. Bad for me too. Okay, we've got this. Ads, keywords, assets. Yes, please select the policy that applies to your healthcare. Yeah, maybe it's not that. Okay, so now you've got to find the ad, and you have to be really specific about which assets are being flagged. If you are even a little bit vague about this, they'll send this back to you. So go ahead and save this, save as, personalized advertising, save. Okay, option ends. This is happening to certain assets. I've provided a screenshot of groups. It's happening to certain assets. So campaigns, groups, and I'm really making this easy for you. I'm just adding the exact answers here. You can literally just fill in the dots here. Problem. So you want to do this. Our service helps people who have been who are victims of sexual abuse. We are not related to healthcare and do not deserve this. So either call or text 416-831-3680. Actually, request a call. It's the best way to get in touch with these people. Yeah. So once that's done, you go ahead and click submit. But wait, your job is not over. So once you have done that, you'll then want to reach out to support, contact us, find the account. I see. Okay. In this particular account, we don't have access to chat. But if you did, you would go to chat and ask them to manually review this as well. They'll push back and they'll tell you they can't, but they can. So just keep pushing them on it. The last thing you'll want to do is go into your email and forward the email to your account manager for this account if you have one. If you don't, you can still try to forward this to another account manager. I'll show you how that would look in action. Find this person. Okay, so I'll show you how that would work. I'm Megan. I hope you're doing well. Just booked a meeting with you for tomorrow regarding coefficient. I also have another client who has a problem with being. Actually, here's what we'll do. Okay, email from here. Decided to chat. I also have a problem with another client who has a. I also have another client who has a problem with being flagged incorrectly for health in personalized advertising. They're not a healthcare brand. In fact, this is a non-profit help victims of sexual harassment. Is there anything you could do to help us get this policy flag overturned. We're having some issues. Thanks. And that's it. So those are the steps you'll go through if you have a health and personalized advertising flag. Actually edit the ad itself. If all else fails, you should try to duplicate the ad. Try to duplicate the ad and change the language slightly. You should always do this because this is the one thing you do not have to rely on Google Ads for. So in this scenario, we've just tweaked, removed the word sexually. I'm thinking that might be flagging this, and hopefully it resolves the issue. Go ahead and do that for this. Oh, you know what it is? It's probably this trauma. Sometimes even just like making a subtle tweak to the language will make Google think it's a new asset. It'll review the asset, and you can get things approved, rather. And this one had to boot on from the rest. And voila, that's it. Cheers. Hopefully you found this useful.